How's it going, everybody? Mark here, and we're back for another video. I hope you're having a fantastic week so far, even though here in the Midwest it's been quite cold. Whether you're getting into hammock camping or if you're just going out and doing a leisure hammock hang with your friends, like I do that a lot. If you purchased a hammock, usually they don't come with hammock straps or tree trunk straps or trunk straps, whatever you may call them. Now, some hammocks, especially the budget type hammocks, the cheaper quality ones, they'll come sometimes, not always, but they'll come with like a nylon cordage or like a rope, and that is not what you want wrapped around a tree. Just think of it like a handsaw. You're gonna wrap that cordage around the tree and it's gonna start grinding back and forth and then digging into that tree bark and then end up killing the tree eventually. So what you're going to want to do is invest in some trunk straps or tree trunk straps or whatever you call them. So what I would recommend is actually going through an actual company who specializes in hammocks. So for example, I have some Eno Atlas Chroma straps. They are fantastic. But if you don't want to spend the $20 or $30, there are a couple budget options available. Do not recommend going to Walmart and picking up their hammock straps. So I've actually had these before I got my Eno straps, and they tend to stretch really bad. So after maybe an hour, you're probably that far off the ground. Like it just constantly stretches and sags lower and lower to the ground. Don't go to Walmart and buy their $10 hammock straps. So a budget option is jumping on Amazon. There's a lot of hammock straps under different names. They're pretty much all the same. They're in between the $9 to $12 range. We ended up picking up a pair of these, the Weehees or Wehes? Weehees. You'll see them different brand. They're probably just from China and people are just sticking their brands on it. You'll see like Cute Queen, Bare Butts. No like reputable hammock companies. However, they all are made the same and they're just slapping their label on them. But we ended up picking these up and they're actually not half bad. They do say that each strap has 1,000-pound breaking strength. I also think that they're putting 2,000-pound breaking strength to make it look like they're more durable than what they really are. What drew me to these straps is they say that they're a no-stretch polyester, which is great. We don't want stretching and we don't want sagging, especially if you're hammock camping and all of a sudden, you know, it's 2 in the morning and you're on the floor. Now these straps come with 18 loopholes to strap your carabiner through, which is great. My Eno straps only have 15. These straps come in with the bag about 10.3 ounces, or you can eliminate the bag altogether and then you'll come in about 9.9 ounces. One thing, and I'm being a little nitpicky here, is that it was a little hard. Unlike my Eno straps, I can just clip it. Because of how they have the loops stitched, they're constantly open. So the only drawback I had with these straps is that I had to pry the loops open a little bit. So it took 2 hands to pry the loop open to put the carabiner through. Not a huge deal, but when you're holding one hand on the carabiner, it's a little harder to, you know, open that loop up with the other hand. Just me being super nitpicky about it. So after using the straps a few times, they do what they said they were supposed to do. There's no stretching. So this is a great budget option. However, I would always recommend going out and purchasing a high quality, reputable brand that is in the hammock industry and grabbing a pair of their straps. And you have that peace of mind that you're gonna be safe with a more reputable brand. Also, you know that they're gonna last. Curious on how these are gonna hold up over the next year or so. What I'm probably gonna do is just make an update video like I did with the Adidas Terex shoes, my hiking shoes. So just make a year update on how they're holding up, how the performance is, or if they fail within the next 6 months, I'll make a video about that as well. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any more recommendations on trunk straps, please leave a comment below. So go get what you can afford, get out in the wilderness and have fun. You don't need a lot of money to go out and have fun and enjoy nature. We're trying to help people enjoy the outdoors and do it responsibly and do it safely. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.